channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my delicious steel cut overnight oats recipe. So if you're interested in a healthier breakfast option or a healthier version of your oatmeal, then keep watching. Okay, so all you need are some steel cut oats, some almond milk, Greek yogurt, chia seeds, some frozen fruit, honey, and preferably a mason jar. I made this one just now for the sake of this video to show you what it looks like in person. It's not as pretty as it looks when you actually make it overnight. So since I didn't have an overnight one to show you, I just made this one right now. But if you care about presentation and how it looks and everything, just keep watching. Okay, so I like to make mine in a mason jar. It just makes it easy. I can make a whole bunch for the entire week, but for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you how to make it. So you have your mason jar, and for one serving of the steel cut oats, it says 1/3 cup, so we're gonna go ahead and start with that. 1/3 cup of your steel cut oats. And it took me a while to get the exact right measurements, to get the texture right and a good flavor and everything, because steel cut oats are way different than your normal oats. They don't have as much flavor, the texture is completely different. So it took me a while to finesse it to get it a way where I actually enjoy it. So it's kind of yummy for it to be steel cut oats. No, it's just yummy, period. All right, so we're gonna do almond milk. It tastes really good with the vanilla kind, but you can do original, unsweetened, it really doesn't matter. But if you don't like steel cut oats and you're just trying to get them down, I recommend you get the vanilla, as it adds a nice flavor to it. We're gonna do 1/2 cup of milk. And at this point is where I normally would let it sit overnight, just the milk and the steel cut oats, so it can like start becoming the oatmeal, and then I would add all the other ingredients in later, and then it just looks better. It just looks better. It's gonna taste the same overall, but it just looks better and it keeps the fruit and everything else separated, so it gets that nice look. But anyways, this is just so you can have the recipe. 1/3 cup of the steel cut oats, 1/2 cup of the almond milk. Then I go ahead and do 1/3 cup of Greek plain yogurt for extra protein. Okay, so that's about 1/3 cup. Go ahead and throw that in. Okay, and then after the yogurt, I like to go ahead directly and put the honey on top of that, because Greek plain yogurt can be kind of bitter, so this is gonna help cut that taste. So I don't have an exact measurement for the honey, just do that to taste. And then I like to do my chia seeds after that. And we'll do 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Sprinkle that on top. And last but not least, we're gonna do 1/3 cup of fruit. Throw that in. It's a super easy, super quick, and delicious recipe. So yeah, if you let this set overnight first, once you add all the other stuff, you'll just have like that pretty layer thing going on. But that's how you make steel cut overnight oats. I hope you guys try it and enjoy.